Hey guys! On today's video, we'll be at the Disneyland Resort inside Disneyland's Fantasyland area, riding on two great attractions, Peter Pan's Flight and Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y por favor, cuide a los pequeños. Chao. To ensure your safety while motoring, please remain seated with your hands, arms. Oh, big box! To ensure a safe Stop!
Well, I don't think you can find two more classic dark ride attractions in Disneyland's Fantasyland area than Mr. Toad's Wild Ride and Peter Pan's Flight. Peter Pan's Flight, to start off with, I have to tell you, I'm not the biggest fan of this ride. I know that might be sacrilege to some of you old school Disneyland fans, but for me, the length of time you typically have to wait to get on that ride versus how long the ride actually is makes it where it doesn't really seem worth my while. When I do go on it, I tend to go right at the end of the night around midnight or very first thing in the morning if I'm there for a rope drop. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride is an amazing attraction, and I think that one is so cool. There's not many Disneyland attractions that you go to hell in, and on Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, you definitely have some crazy things happen on that ride, so it's one that I think is pretty fun. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok, and please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching, and take care.